Hey guys, today we'll talk about how to delete your app on the application of Weverse. So we go to Weverse app. Here in this page, you will go to this sign of more. Then we click in the sign of settings. Here we click on account settings. Then this page, you will wait a moment. You will scrolling down. Here you will find delete Weverse account. But as you see as you read here, please disconnect all connected apps and services to delete your account. You will go to this window here as you see of connected apps and service, and you will click here delete. When you click here, you will click delete accounts from Weverse, and then you choose here and you will choose type in the text above like this, and then we click on delete account from Weverse. So please don't forget